DS title here at Midland Holiday B Dock 36. There's not a name on the boat. I have it on my phone, but I honestly can't remember it at the moment. But B36, and it is January 29th. I'm gonna do a after clean video. Car looking good. She was pretty slammed up. Paint is still in poor condition, and besides that, there's the prop sink starting to look pretty rough. If you guys are interested in replacing that, well, you can take care of it. Let's go take a look. DS Diving, thank you very much. You're looking good. And we do salvage if you want us to tow that boat that's sitting on the backside if you want. It's just a joke. But, thank you.